this up.
Is that my shed? Is that my shed, Daddy?
Yeah, when you get bigger, you can play up here.
I need a yada
Oh boy.
too. Can you build me a yada?
Oh boy.
A yada too.
I'm gonna have to step on that top step. They say not to, but I have no choice. Okay, I'm on my deck, and I'm not feeling comfortable. Is it gonna hold me? Melanie, why are you shaking your head no?
I
I don't know is not confidence.
You're too heavy for my shed.
That is no confidence, Melanie.
You're too heavy for my shed.
I don't know.
I think so.
Oh boy, I'm scared. I'm gonna be much more comfortable with the walls on. Oh boy. No, you think it's funny. Oh boy. Ah, Melanie.
Why do you have like this?
Oh, Melanie. Okay, hand it up.
I don't know what you're...
I'm gonna put this up here.
You're too funny for me. You're too funny
It's
for
gonna
me.
be awkward once I get it up here, because the weight of that is gonna try to trick me.
You're so funny.
I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Maybe you can take the ladder, Melanie, and bring it over here. Help me balance this board, please. Don't put it in the cement, because there's no way I'm doing this alone. I'm going to feel so much safer when the walls are up. All right, line it up on the end of that.
That's good.
No, it's got to be flush with the end of that. Well, see where the frame is?
Yeah, but this one has no string. The only string is in this one.
I got to see where the frame. I want it lined up with the frame. I can't really lean out like you can. Ooh, you can see the frame, right? I want it lined up with this board. This board should be, can you see it? Is it good? Are you flush with this side here and with this board? You sure? Because I got a little tiny bit this way. Okay. Okay, can you hold it? Hold it up?
No.
No. All right, can you hold it? Just a minute. Yeah, this is awkward. We almost need a third person. All right, are you ready? Can you hold it a minute?
Yes, yes.
All right, I'm going to put a screw in. You got it? Okay. Okay. Now, is that going to stand on its own? Did I put
My shooting window too high? I put my shooting window too high. I can change that. It's good for looking, but it's no good for shooting. Actually, no, I'm going to have a raised chair here. So I can raise my deck to where I need it. This is perfect for looking. Okay. I'll probably have a raised platform on here. Now, is that going to stand if I go in it? I think. If you hold that a minute for me. I'm going to...
screw in a board? To give that some leverage to pull it in. Hopefully that'll pull it this way some, you know what I'm saying? We'll change that in a minute. Now, keep holding a minute. Hopefully this will give it some weight pulling it downwards this way, so it doesn't want to try to fall off. It's awkward. Now let go. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to need you to hand me the other one, please. I don't like heights, by the way, guys, but once I'm enclosed, I won't feel so bad. Alright, now if you could get the ladder over, please. Trying to line up the ends. You got it? Okay. Hold. Reach up. Reach up. You got it? Okay. Now, what I need to do now is take these boards and put them across. Well, guys, I got one side up. Soon I'll start feeling more safe in here. It's just a little awkward trying to line this up. I feel. That's from underneath. It's very awkward. You got a good view, Melanie?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Once I get the first screw in, it won't be a problem. Pretty good. Now that one can come down.
Here we go.
That was the hardest part. Everything else is going to go easier. Okay, well, frame is up. What are you laughing at? Definitely needs some reinforcement. That's an impressive structure. The top is 15 feet in the air, which is where actually that's where your deer stand would normally start if you were hunting. That's where you would have your tree stand, 15 feet up. So it looks high, but that's where, if you were hunting, your butt would be starting there. But I'm going to be setting up a raised platform, a raised bench for sitting up there for hunting. And I can stand for observation. Well, I sure got a lot left to do. I got to put in some cross bracing here and give it some thinking how I'm going to do that now. But we'll get it. That's a good start.